Thanks to a stylish ceramic hob and amazing technology, you'll be rustling up a feast in no time with this electric cooker from Hotpoint. Both ovens have a B rating for energy efficiency. The main oven has a large 74-litre capacity, whereas the second oven is a little smaller with a 42-litre capacity. There are 4 cooking zones on the hob, ranging from 3 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. The hob on this cooker has a ceramic finish, which makes it especially easy to keep clean. Because the surface is so smooth, any food splashes can be easily wiped away once the cooking zones have cooled down. So if you want a stylish hob which is effortless to keep clean, this ceramic hob is ideal. This model's electric fan oven provides a fast, effective and energy-efficient way to cook your food. The fan moves warm air around the cavity so that heat is spread evenly across all shelves with no transference of flavours. This means you'll be able to prepare a variety of dishes at the same time, while your food will always have the perfect finish. If you're looking for an electric cooker with amazing technology to help you rustle up a feast, this stylish model from Hotpoint is perfect for you.